Hello everyone, I, Inderpreet Singh, Faculty of Management Studies in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. In this lecture, I will be explaining role of leadership in strategy implementation. Implementation corporate strategy requires a team effort headed by your organization's leadership team. Each person involved in change management has their responsibilities, and it is important for the entire organization to understand the role of leadership in strategy implementation to make delegating responsibility more effective. Leadership involves strong association with organization by taking some tough decisions which will help an organization to prosper and grow alike. First is involvement. Strategy implementation of any kind of new organization, company policy or program requires participation from all the departments that will be affected. Company leadership needs to identify what those departments are and create an implementation team that consists of representatives from each affected groups. Second is interest. Implementing change or any kind of new strategy within the company requires a feeling of urgency on the part of the entire organization. It is the job of management to create that urgency by explaining to the staff why the implementation is necessary. Third is monitoring. Strategic implementation within the company is not an exact process. It is a dynamic procedure that needs to be monitored by management and altered to meet implementation goals. It is the responsibility of leadership to put a monitoring system in place, analyze the data that is being generated during the implementation, and make any necessary changes to make the implementation more efficient. Fourth is identifying process or phases. Implementing a corporate strategy or change is often done in phases. The company leadership needs to be able to identify when each phase of the strategic implementation is complete and be ready to transition the company to the next phase. So I hope you have understood the lecture. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you very much.